Hello, this is Ron, and it's Friday, April 24th, Friday, April 24th. It's Good Friday. I just got here in Alabama today after the tornado storms came through, and I want to show you what my grandpa's house, where it was. This is where what's left after the tornado, and over, let's just pick up across the street. You can see that's the debris from where the house is. Actually 22nd, April 22nd, not 24th. So that's the debris. I'm gonna go over there looking and see what I can find. Okay, now I'm across the street where the actual house was found. It's a little bit closer there. And you can see some of the debris. I'm gonna go looking in there in a little while, see how the trees are broken. Look up there. Look at that. It was reported that it was an F3 tornado. That's 156 to 207 miles per hour. Again, this is where the house ended up, and over there is where the house was. So, from there, to there. Must have hit the tree. Must have hit those trees and fell down there. There you go. I'm gonna get closer. Also, I want to show you. Here's a cable here that's running across us down on the telephone wires. Hopefully, none of them were high-powered cables, because it'd be very dangerous for me to be near it. But I'm sure if it was, the power's turned off now. Look at that. Here I'm a little bit closer. You can see a little bit more stuff here. See a mattress. I see Grandpa's rocking chair right there. And so this is a lot of stuff here. And if we can, we'll go a little deeper. I found something there. There's a dish remote control. Let's see what else. It's kind of soggy over here. Oh, there's another remote control right there. It's a cushion from the sofa. Hey, there's a cassette tape. Let's see what's on that. I'm inside, I guess, what's here. Let's see what we got here. Something soggy. And there's a little bit more, wow, stuff even back there. Yeah. Alright, we'll go a little further. And we in here a little bit deeper. You see, that looks like it's metal frame, just bent up and twisted like plastic. See a piece of tin wrapped around the tree there, like aluminum foil or something. Told me to watch out because I might step on some nails and stuff. I already stepped on a couple already. There's some luggage there. But thank God it didn't go through. Alright, we'll move on. Okay, I kind of went as far as I could in that one direction. There we go. Much better. So I'm gonna go and go around. As you can see, I would have had to go up there and then step down in there, but I'm gonna go around from this side and see what I can find. I do see a suitcase over there. Found some records and Ohio Players album cover that I remember being here as a kid. Ohio Players Fire. So I don't know, I think that was Sharon's, I don't know. But I'm gonna go around here. You see there's mattresses over there, mattress here. There's mattresses up in the front. See Tawana over there looking around too. There's mattresses all over there. So I did see the tub, as you can see right here. Actually, yeah, the tub is in bad shape. They said if you're supposed to hide in the tub if you have a tornado, but I don't know. It would have been hard to survive this anywhere in this house, regardless of the age and the strength. So I'm gonna look around a little bit more. Okay, as I'm going around, I do see something that looks like one of the things I was looking for. That looks like a picture there. I gotta be real careful where I step because of nails and debris and stuff like that. I got on boots, but they're snow boots. So let's see what we got here. Oh, hey, there might be a picture right there, turned upside down. I don't know what that's a picture of. A boat on some water. Nothing written on it, but I'll keep it. Anyway, maybe somebody else can identify it. Here's another picture. Oh my goodness. It's a picture of somebody's funeral. Somebody in a casket. I'll clean that up. Maybe somebody else can identify what that one is. Alright. Oh, look at this. I found somebody's graduation picture. So we'll take that and take a look and see. Okay, now I'm in the middle of this wreckage here. And you can see it all around. That's the front, the roadside. There's pieces of table. There's a bag of microwave popcorn, some clothing, drapes, trees. Looks like the underside of a couch there. Tree limbs in there. So I go around, continue to go around. Mattress. Another couch there. And even more stuff around it. Alright, there's a piece of a fan there. Pieces of mirror, his legs, some table. I'm standing on it. Looks like a coffee table or end table right now. Bathroom stuff here. If you even look up here, we just saw some clothing way at the top of a tree. I miss it. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. So, I don't know. We're getting supposed to press through or just stop here or come back later. But it is a lot. Oh, this is as deep as I'm coming today. Maybe I'll get a chance to come back here later today or tomorrow or something like that. But Found a lot of little different stuff. Like I said, clothes, furniture, vacuum cleaner over there, and ironing board. There's a cable box there. So even over there, there's even more stuff outside of the rest. So we'll do this again, God willing.
It's just something we'll probably. Hi, I'm Pastor Matthew, and this is